Oh, isn't technology great, folks? We can teleport ammunition out of Ratchet's gun before he even fires! He'll be losing ammo faster than a mutant muck beast can devour your spleen! Oh, and that hurts. One thing about Ratchet, you give him any lip and he'll feed you a lead sandwich. You better believe that, Juanita.
Looks like that was the last of them. I must say, I'm impressed.
Well, I never thought I'd see the day.
Psych! He's not even close to done. I'm just toying with his mind.
What I want to know is how Ratchet uses the bathroom in that suit.